The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD chassis combines robust capability with smart design, ideal for any heavy-duty task. Benefit from the turbo diesel engine for powerful performance and the automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction, ensuring you tackle any challenge with confidence. Step inside to experience the premium audio system for rich sound and the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system for seamless connectivity at your fingertips. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500.